Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and to my old subscribers, thank you for tuning back. So as you can see, the hairstyle already. This hairstyle was inspired by Lilian Okibe. Lilian Okibe temporary locks, no product whatsoever. I didn't use any product, I didn't use any gel, I didn't use any lock twist gel, whatever. This is just my hair. I mean, I did use products, but not products that are supposed to give this result. There are some things that I would like to explain before we get into the video about doing this Lilian Okibe inspired locks. She advised that you should do this on a bit of a frizzy hair. Your hair should be a bit frizzy and dry. She has 4C, and I assume her hair porosity is low porosity. So please, I have high porosity hair and my hair is mostly 4B. So this Lilian Okibe inspired temporary locks for this method I'm going to teach you now should be able to apply for 4 type hair or 4 type hair. She did hers on a dryish hair. She washed her hair the day before and then she did the locks the next day. But that is not what I did eventually. I started out this hair on dry hair and I regretted it. My hair tangled a lot. You know, high porosity hair is different. My hair had dried. I'd washed my hair since Sunday. But she washed her hair the day before and did it the next day. So my hair was extremely dry. In fact, what you should know is that you should not do this if your hair is completely dry. I moisturized my hair. I added water to my hair, rubbed cream, and I did this. I actually used shea butter and I was able to achieve this. So you can actually do this on a moisturized hair, but you just need to make sure that the braids are very loose. You'll see that in the video though. This hairstyle took me 2 days. What? I did not sit down completely to do this hairstyle, but I should approximate that this hairstyle should not take you long because the sections should be medium-sized sections. So without further ado, please let's get to this video. I've talked too much. Okay, so right here I'm trying to divide my hair into 3 equal parts. I've already done one braid already. Please, one thing you need to note, very very important, is that you should make it very loose. I had tried this about 2 or 3 times before I realized that I was supposed to make it very very loose. And as you can see, this is when I started my hair dry, so it was tangling and I had to keep going through it to remove knots. So make sure that it's 3 parts very well, like divide it into 3 very well so that you won't have to borrow from any other one. That's very important in making sure that this hairstyle is achieved correctly. Then you start to braid. I don't know if the video is very clear enough on how to braid, but at the roots you make the braid a bit tight, just a little, like a little length, you make it a bit tight. Then later on you now start drawing your hand, like you stretch your hair. I noticed that like I got it better when I stretched my hair. Not like you pull your hair and it will be hurting you, but you stretch your hair very well and then you start braiding. So I stretched my hair here very well and I started braiding it to the down part. I used shea butter. Shea butter helped me in detangling and making sure that the ends were not so knotted. So make sure to use shea butter or any cream you have that will help you with that. So after braiding it, I had to go back in to stretch it because I did not make this particular one so loose. So that's why I'm emphasizing on making it very 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 loose. Like, you know, when you stretch your hair, let it be that stretched and you weave it. So this here, I'm just going into another section, trying to see if I would show you guys that section. I made 4 at the back. The back had 4 braids. The back had 4 braids. I'm trying to make sure that the part is neat. That's very important. So as you can see, some water on my body. I think at this point I added water. So I'm basically just making the root tight. Then after making the root tight, I started braiding it very loosely, very very loosely. I'm not so good in parting well, and then I wasn't really using a mirror, but make sure that at least your parting is neat and you're not collecting hair from any other place so that you will not break your hair strands. Oh, sorry about that. So make sure the pattern is neat so you don't break some hair strands. And see, I'm still applying shea butter and twirling the ends. I twist my ends because I want my ends to be stretched and I don't want to face too much tangle. So I normally, when I reach the end, I do a little twist that is loose too and use shea butter to touch the tips. This is just the final section. See, my hair is knotting a lot, so I just had to add water and cream. So this is the last section. I'm trying to show you guys this section that I make sure to detangle my hair. This is very important because you don't want your hair knotting up and tangling and you having to rip it out. Ripping it out is a terrible idea. It's better to use a scissors to cut it off, your hair scissors to cut off the part that is tied together. So I just went in again and started braiding. I made sure that the part was very neat. It has to be parted into 3, very neat, so you won't have to borrow from any other parting as you go along the twisting section. Okay, you don't have to hold the hair the same way I'm holding it. Anyway, that will be easier for you to make the roots tight and the body to be very loose. You can hold it like that. So you just divide it in 3 and you start braiding. I hope it's clear enough for you to see. Rivers State has been raining since forever in Port Harcourt, so the place has been a bit dark. So this is me just trying to loosen it up again to make sure that it's very, very loose. It's meant to be very, very loose. So that's just what I was doing in this part. So yeah, this is the faux at the back. Like I said, it's not so neat, but okay, I skipped the video because I took time. I wasn't consistent in just sitting down to make the hair completely. So when I had reached about half the hair, I had to come to the front because I wanted to do a style in the front. So I came and divided it for a side pattern. The side pattern is somewhere around my brows, as you can see. And I applied gel, guys. I applied gel so that the front hair will be a bit neat and laid. I applied gel to close to the roots, not on my scalp, but I applied gel close so that I can be very neat. Then this is flat twist. You just take 2, like the regular when you want to twist. You open up 2 and then you start flat twisting. I don't know how to explain it, but I hope you can get from the video what I'm doing. I'm gradually taking hair as I'm twisting, just the way you normally twist. You go in with the flat twist like that, taking little hair as you're twisting. You'll be taking small hair from the next section. So this is me just applying gel for that part of my edges to stay in very well. I'm not holding my hair very tight. It's quite loose. I mean, you will know when your hair is tight. I don't want to damage my hair or anything, so it's a bit loose. Not so loose, but it's a bit loose, and I'm twisting it. So I twisted this up to a point. As you see, I twisted it up to a point, and after twisting it, I went in with the braid. I made sure that this point as I was twisting was a bit tight. Then I divided it into 3 equal sections. It's important to divide it into 3 equal sections like I'm doing here, so that you have to borrow hair from anywhere. I made the roots a bit tight. You can see that it's not so tight because I left it and started braiding. So you can see that place is not so tight, but it won't really affect it. So just go on with your braids, very loose, very stretched. Make sure that you braid it, and after braiding it, you try to adjust it if you feel like it's not loose enough. So basically, guys, that's all, and I just finished the hair. watching this video, guys. I don't know, give it a try. If you have three type of hair, please let me know in the comment section below how you think you'll be able to achieve this locks, because I've been thinking about it since, and I feel like it's because my hair is coarse. I have coarse natural hair, and my hair is 4 type. That's why I feel like I was able to achieve this. But if you think that without gel you can achieve this hairstyle, for those that have fine hair, those that have type 3 hair, please let me know, because I don't know how that's going to look, but let me know. And if you have not subscribed, subscribe, hit the notification bell. My next video is going to be very interesting. It's going to be why your hair is not growing in Nigeria and in Africa. So look forward to that video, guys, and thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.